Hello, I'm Susan Fox, and 15 years ago, I developed a course called Art, Nature, and the New Eco-Consciousness. And I did it because I just have so much awe and heart connection to the natural environment around me. And for me, to want to share ways that we can all reconnect with the earth became a very important focus. So part of what this course is all about is it offers a chance for all of us to focus on earth connective experiences. We can develop what I'd call sensory awareness, an engagement with the environment that has a depth that can be expressed in our creativity. It also gives us opportunities to be reflective, to contemplate what is around us, and to pay attention to some of the details that we don't always slow down and connect